So I want to show you how to navigate around Sophia, and I've created a dummy student account to just kind of guide you through the navigation. The first thing I want you to notice is this bar here. Many of you probably have this menu show up. You don't really need to see this to get rid of it. All you have to do is click on this X to hide the help menu. Then you should have this. I think what's confusing a lot of you, or at least the feedback I'm getting, is this enter group code here. You only have to enter the group code one time. If you did it at sign up, you don't even have to do it again. Once you join a group, where you should be focusing your attention is, there's the group, I've joined it. Now I go back to my home page, and now what I want to look for is my groups. Well, it's not showing up here. I have to click here where it says groups to get to the groups. Now my group shows up. So it's not going to show up there on my home page. It's only going to show up when I click on the group. So I click there. Now I can go into the group. Now I can go ahead and look at my information. The other thing you need to notice is this. Of course, your summary will tell you everything about you. It shows your groups, shows you news. This is kind of a overview of everything. Nothing is going to show up in your pathways or your playlists or your tutorials until you actually do something. So for example, if I want to see something in my tutorials, what I'd go do is go back to my group, click on my group to go into the group, and then click on a tutorial. Well, here's the states of matter vocabulary. I click on that. Now I have the tutorial. I can answer this question. I rank the phases from lowest energy to highest energy. Well, lowest, it would be this. I answer it. Oops, try again. It's not solid gas liquid, it's solid liquid gas. Okay, I got the question right. So I quit. Let's say I don't want to work on that anymore. Gotta go do something else. Well, when I come back later, again, anytime you go to this page, you're not going to see your group. But now that I've done a tutorial, if I click on my tutorials, it's going to show up there. So what I would suggest that y'all do is log in. If you're not sure about whether or not you joined the group, go over here to where it says groups, see if you joined it. If not, you can put your code right here to join the group. Click on the group, start working through the material. As you work through the material, every time you go to something, it will start sort of sorting it into the right place. For example, if I go here to this playlist, which is states of matter, and the only thing that's in the states of matter is the tutorial here, well, now when I go back here, now when I click on playlists, there's my playlist. Now when I click on tutorials, there's my tutorial. And as time goes on, this starts getting built. So I hope that really helps you out with the navigation on Sophia. Remember, the main thing is when you get to that home page, click here to get rid of that big menu. Click on groups to see the groups that you're in. As you work through the material, your tutorials will start showing up in your tutorials list. Your playlist will start showing up there. And if we ever get to the point where we have enough material and create a pathway, your pathways will start showing up here in the same sort of way. Okay, take care, and we'll see you in class soon. And remember, if you've got questions, just go ahead and post them on the group wall. It's not a big deal. Just go right there to the group wall and post your comment right there. Take care.